Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you Python tuples. So let's get straight into it. And in the last video, Python list, I said in the end of the video, I said we're gonna talk about Python tuples. And Python tuples are simple. It's like lists, but another kind of brackets. So let's create a list over here. As you can see, is these circle brackets. That's what I want to call them. So I can make a list like um cherry, apple, and uh, sorry if I spelled banana wrong, but still, we're gonna print A. As you can see, we printed the cherry. Now, let's do this. A. Then we're gonna put this one apple. So it's so as the list, uh, it has the same rules. So 0, 1, 2, and this is 1. If I pick 0, it will pick cherry because it's the first item. And then there's another thing. You could also do tuples as integers, strings, and boolean. Boolean is true or false. String is like this, and tuple is what I showed you right now. Lists or this, and boolean is this. True, false. True. And yeah, so we're gonna test them all in a tuple except for the list because because another um it's another kind of tuple, but it changed. It has a square bracket. So let's first do integers. So int variable equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we could print the int variable, and we could also do 5. As you can see, 4 is 5, 3 is 4, 2 is 3, 1 is 2, 0 is 1. And we could also do the same with strings. Strings is just like the apple cherry thing. Apple, cherry, banana. Then we have the true and false. True, false, true, true, and false. Now if we print 0, it's gonna be true. 5, 4, it's gonna print false. 3, 3, 2, 1, it's gonna be false. 3, 2 is gonna be true. Yeah, I think so. So yeah, that's it for today. And in the next lesson, we're gonna talk about Python sets. And yeah, bye bye.